Hello, we are at 1906 Golden Gate at Baker in NOPA. Coming in the front door of the unit, this is a condo unit. Hardwood floors throughout, except in the kitchen and bathroom where you'll find tile floor. This is a gas fireplace. Beautiful high ceilings and period details throughout this unit. South facing living room here, so as you can see, a nice bright sunshiny room. Double parlor. There is the cable there in the corner, Comcast. Closet here in the back half of the double parlor. The unit has gas, forced air for heat. Nice large coat closet here in the hallway. All right, there's the thermostat for the heat. Coming into the formal dining room. There is another closet in this room. All right, bedroom is off of the formal dining room and does have an ensuite bathroom. Here is the closet for the bedroom. Okay. Nice large bathroom, shower over tub. And this room also has a south-facing window for great light. Okay, coming into the nice, spacious kitchen. So much cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, fridge, microwave, gas range. There we are looking back at the formal dining room. That door there does go into the bathroom, so you can get it into that bathroom from either the bedroom or the kitchen side. Here's the breakfast nook, looking out onto the beautiful outdoor space for this unit. And then there is a guest bath here. 3/4 bath, so shower only, but it's a nice large shower, glassed-in shower, pedestal sink. Okay. And in here is the laundry. Okay, stacked washer dryer. So here is the outdoor space. Nice big wooden deck, little garden area. The owners do pay for a gardener to come maintain the outdoor space, and the deck does incidentally wrap all the way around the side of the house here and about level with the formal dining room. Okay, really functions as an additional room. It's just wonderful to have this extra outdoor space. This unit also comes with a storage locker, which is located down on the ground level. We're on the first story here. And there is a parking space, but we do need to test someone's car to make sure that it will fit through the garage door. The space is perfectly normal size. It's just a slightly narrow garage door, so we want to make sure that everyone's car would fit. All right, last little look there. Coming outside, I'll show you the facade of the building and do a little pan here of the block. This is incidentally a 2-unit condo building. So there's the garage door. And here is the facade of the building. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We do want you to come see 1906 Golden Gate in person and then apply if interested. Thanks for watching.